And that way you're kind of stretching it. You're stretching that egg a little bit, and it's making a nice little bowl too. There we go. There you go. And then you're going to have hardly any raw egg in the top. It's all slid underneath to cook. And then you can take it and just flip it right over like that. When I do that, I like to turn the heat off on it. That way I get tied up doing something with another egg or another breakfast or getting yelled at by a waitress. You know, my omelet won't burn. And meanwhile, you can take your cheese, put that right in there like that. Let's just put the rest of it in there. You got your plate. Now here's the important part here. Everybody pay attention at home. You kids at home. Got the egg. Slide it right on there like that. And there it is. The round of the plate matches the round of the omelet. And also,